You ask AI a question and get a completely useless answer. Sound familiar? You are not alone. Millions of people use AI every day and get mediocre results. But here is the secret. The problem is never the AI. It is the prompt. A prompt is simply the instruction you type into an AI. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. If you walk into a restaurant and say, "Make me food," you might get anything. A salad, a steak, a bowl of soup. But if you say, "A medium rare ribeye with garlic mashed potatoes," you get exactly what you want. AI works the same way. Here is a bad writing prompt. Write me an email. The AI has no idea who it is for, what the topic is, or what tone to use. So it produces something generic and useless. Now look at this good prompt. It specifies the length, the audience, the purpose, and the tone. The result is immediately useful. The key lesson: who is it for, what do you need, what tone, and how long? That is the formula for a great writing prompt. Bad coding prompt. Fix my code. The AI does not know what language, what the code does, or what is broken. It cannot help you. Good prompt. It names the language, describes the specific symptom, and asks for an explanation. Now the AI can pinpoint the bug instantly. For coding prompts, specify the language, describe the exact problem, and state the output you want. That is the formula. Bad image prompt. Draw a dog. You will get something, but it will look random. No style, no mood, no detail. Good prompt. It describes the subject, the art style, the color palette, and the mood. The words are the blueprint for the image. For image generation, subject, style, mood, and detail. The more specific your words, the closer the result matches your vision. Bad technical prompt. Explain heat transfer. That is an entire textbook. The AI will give you a generic overview that is either too basic or too advanced. Good prompt. It names the specific topic, the audience's background, and asks for an analogy. Now the AI knows exactly how to pitch the explanation. For technical prompts, specify the audience, the topic, what they already know, and the format you want. That is how you get a clear, useful explanation. Now let us put it all together. Every great prompt follows the same pattern, no matter what you are using AI for. They all simplify to three things: context, specificity, and desired output format. Add these three ingredients and your results will be 10 times better. This works for any AI. ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Gemini. The tool does not matter. The prompt does. Here is your homework. Take any prompt you have used this week. Add context. Add specificity. Add the output format you want. Then compare the results. You will be amazed. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Dennis Engineering for more videos like this. See you in the next one.